In today's video from Sharp Help, we're looking at the XE-A217 cash register and we're looking at the level function on the machine. The XE-A217 is a flat keyboard machine with 70 product buttons on level 1 of the keyboard. The keyboard also has a level 2 and a level 3, which can be used for a variety of things. When you press level 1, which is the default level, you are selling PLUs 1 to 70, so they are the first level of products. When you sell on level 2, it's shifting number 1 to be number 71, and likewise when you press level 3, it's shifting it to sell PLU 141. The uses for this could be, you could use level 2 maybe for half pints. You could use all 3 levels for pizza sizes, so you could have a button for margarita, and on level 1 it's 6 inch, level 2 is 9 inch, and level 3 is 12 inch. In order to program this into the machine, if we clear off this sail, we can go to the programming mode, into setting, into article, and then into PLU. Now on this machine I've already programmed PLU number 1 to be Carling Pint, so for this demonstration I'm now going to program PLU 71 to be the half pint equivalent. So to get to number 71 you can either scroll down or you can simply type in 71 and press the total button, and this will take you straight into PLU 71. So for this demo we're going to have it at £1.50, and then we're going to arrow down, and then to type the description you use the alpha overlay for the product. So we're going to call it, there's a delete button here, we're going to call it, you need to arrow back to use the delete key. There we go. I'm going to put caps back on by pressing the caps button, and then we go Carling space and then HF for half. We've got it set to preset and the department code is correct at 01. It's the total button to save it, and then we can either now program more PLUs, or by pressing escape cancel we can come back to the main reg mode sales screen, and we can demonstrate how level 2 can be used as a half pint button. So the default level is level 1, which is Carling Pint, and if we use level 2 as a half pint key, it's now sold half a pint of Carling because it's sold PLU 71, which we've just programmed to be Carling half. For more information on using the level function on the 217, please check out the video which is appearing on screen now, or subscribe to our channel and watch more videos at sharphelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.